Building cross-platform applications with Delphi and need to understand what FMX form files contain? This is the visual layout blueprint for your FireMonkey UI. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these form definition files work and how to edit them properly. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering FMX files with corrupted internal metadata. FMX files are form definition files used by Embarcadero, Delphi, and C++ Builder for FireMonkey cross-platform application development. They contain visual form layout definitions, including UI component placement properties, event handlers, styles, and animations for building applications that run on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux platforms. FMX files are form definition files used by Embarcadero, Delphi, and C++ Builder for FireMonkey cross-platform application development. They contain visual form layout definitions, including UI component placement properties, event handlers, styles, and animations for building applications that run on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux platforms. Embarcadero Technologies defined Embarcadero Delphi as the main handler for FMX files. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows lists the file, but execution requires a shell or scripting engine to run the code. We need to identify a functional opener, right-click the FMX file and choose Open With. Prioritize Embarcadero Delphi if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If your FMX file will not open yet, do not panic. The highly specific nature of the FMX file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, opening in Delphi IDE. Open the FMX file within its parent Delphi or C++ Builder project by double-clicking the associated unit file in the project manager. The IDE's form designer displays the visual layout with all FireMonkey components. Drag and resize components and edit properties in the Object Inspector panel for visual form editing. Next, editing as text. Right-click the form in Delphi's form designer and select View as Text to see the raw FMX markup. Edit component properties directly in the text representation for precise control over layout values. Switch back to the visual designer with Alt plus F12 to verify changes render correctly in the form preview. Finally, troubleshooting form loading. If a FMX file fails to load in the IDE, check for missing component packages or third-party FireMonkey components. Install required packages through Component, then install packages. For corrupted FMX files, open the text format in Notepad++ and look for malformed property entries or encoding issues that prevent the IDE from parsing the form structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at FileMagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.